Hello, today I will guide you on how to remove viruses and malware using the Windows Defender offline feature. Step 1, scan for viruses using Windows Security and review results. Click the Windows Security icon from the taskbar or search for it using the Start menu. From the main dashboard, Security at a Glance, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click Quick Scan to start scanning your system. This process may take a few minutes. Once the scan is complete, a report will be displayed showing how many files were scanned and if any threats were found. Click the notification to review details, scan time, total files scanned, and detected threats, if any. If no threats were found, it will display no current threats found. Step 2, clean up junk and temporary files, disk cleanup. Click the search icon on the taskbar and type Run, then select the Run app from the results. In the Run dialog, type ClinVay key and click OK. The tool will calculate how much junk data can be removed. When the options appear, check all relevant ones such as temporary files, thumbnails, delivery optimization files, etc. Make sure the total space shown matches the sum of the selected items. Click OK, then choose Delete Files to remove them. With these two simple steps, you can ensure your Windows PC is free of viruses and unnecessary junk files. Perform this regularly to keep your system running smoothly and securely. Thank you for watching.